So let's say you go to the store with a $30 budget for the next few days worth of groceries. Not paying attention to the cost, you get a couple pounds of meat for $11.55, a box of cereal for $3.27, a bag of chips for $3.89, a bag of apples for $2.72, a box of noodles for $1.26, and 3 bell peppers for $2.28. Where you don't want to embarrass yourself at the register, so you need to quickly check if you can afford everything, and you want to see if you have enough money. So, we're going to assume here that you don't have the time at the register to go into your phone and carefully check all of these things with each penny accounted for, which means that instead what you'd probably want to do is just make a quick estimate rounding to the nearest dollar. So, we would take that $11.55, round to the nearest dollar, that's a 5, tells us this is about $12. For the cereal, we would get $3.27. See, the nearest dime there is 2 of them, so this rounds down to $3. Then for the chips at $3.89, we would round that one up because we got an 8 there to $4. For the apples, 2.72 rounds up to $3. For the noodles, we'd have 126 becomes just $1, relatively speaking. And finally, for the $2.28 worth of peppers, we say that's about $2 of them. So if we take all of these values and add them up, we would get an approximate value of $25. So you'd probably be okay. Probably don't have anything to worry about. Where, to be sure, if you did add all of these up, you would end up getting a value of $24.97, which is, by any reasonable estimation, about $25. If you want to be more exact here, you could maybe round to the nearest 50 cents instead. We have to be a little more careful about how those 5s end up working, but it still follow into the same logic of half or more of thing. And in the real world, you probably wouldn't be quite so perfectly finagled to be 3 cents off of the estimate, but it would still give you a very fair sense of what's going on here, that you'd probably have enough money to fit within your budget. Where the next thing we're going to look at is how we can handle estimations in cases that don't just have numbers right there for us. We're talking about estimations in terms of more graphical representations.